Hey ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amber. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you as always. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you like, comment, and share this video. Ladies, for tonight's quote, where there's a woman, there is power. So never forget that. So ladies, tonight's drink, we're gonna be making a drink called the Blue Lagoon. It's a real delicious drink. It kind of reminds you of island vibes. So that's a perfect drink for tonight, because tonight is all about you relaxing and enjoying yourself. So with that being said, I want you to go and grab that outfit that make you feel confident and sexy, and meet me right back here in this kitchen. But before you go, there's gonna be a few items you'll need for tonight's drink. You're gonna need vodka, lemonade, blue carousel, fresh lime juice, a lemon wheel, and Marciano cherries. I'll be waiting. Great, you're back. And girl, you look ready. You look beautiful, you look amazing. So now that you're back, I'm gonna go ahead and light my candles. And let's get to this drink. So I'm gonna take my glass and fill it with ice. I have my ice here filled with the cubes. Big cubes are really pretty. You don't have to have these cubes if you don't have it. Next, I'm gonna take my mixer glass and fill it with ice. We have our ice. So I'm gonna take 1.5 ounces of vodka, 4 ounces of lemonade, and I'm gonna squeeze some lime juice in here. And take 1/2 of a lime and just squeeze the juice inside. Then I'm gonna give it a good shake. I'm gonna take my glass and fill it. Then I'm gonna take 1.5 ounces of blue carousel. I'm gonna take my lemon wheel, place it here, a cherry, and there you have it, the Blue Lagoon. Cheers. Fire! Well ladies, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!